we came to Sheffield as a young acoustic duo, and we found that everyone was treated like wood who tried to play music. So when Drift took over this pub, it was an ideal opportunity to look after the sound, to treat people right, and have a lovely evening. Where you get 2 or 3 people come down, and then someone comes down. It might be the first time they ever played on their own. And you make them sound really good, and they go, and you turn up and they're good, you know, and you go, and you see them when they walk off different to how they came on. That makes it worth it.
We're brought up in a village pub basically, so it's very hard in Sheffield to find village atmosphere in a city, and because we've come from there, I think that's what we've tried to create.
I would describe it as lackadaisically comfortable. I think if you go into a place and it's obviously run so everything's set up and it's nice, but there's a sense of it's alright. It doesn't matter if you go wrong. You don't have to sit up here and the lights are on you. You've got to play chord for chord and it's going to be beautiful. It doesn't matter. Right, people come and just crack through a song and it will be appreciated by those that come down. Like tonight, the guy would come down, like he plays a bit of guitar, but he's brought a load of mates and bring a little bit of a vibe.
Played for the first time last week and he was scared shitless basically.
And then come down this week and he's brought 15 people with it and played really well. And it's, if you can provide just a place for people to feel comfortable to play, then that's alright, then it's worth putting your time in.
It's a pub for everyone, basically. It's not aimed at anyone, it's a place for people to come and relax and enjoy what's going on.
Because we always play, so we always try to open it and sort of just to, not to try and set a standard or show off, just to go, somebody's already played, so it's very difficult for people to come in and then sit in a room and go, okay, you're first on. There's a lot of bands who are very unapproachable because they live in a bubble of trying to put across their coolness or their image. And we can't do that because we are 24/7. Thank you very much. Have a lovely evening. Thanks for coming down on a Thursday. We're always here.